so good to see you guys. How you doing?
How you doing, homie?
I hope you've had a really good couple of days. Maybe this is the time to say apologies for the clickbait. We were just teasing and having a really good time.
We clickbaited you.
We worked with a photographer just to do some really fun photos, and she showed up with this beautiful white dress. And when I got the photos back, I couldn't help but be like, oh my gosh, these look like we've eloped. And everyone in our lives is so nervous that we're going to elope. Because you guys are a part of our lives, we thought, hey, let's tease everybody. Some of you didn't take that so well, so I apologize, but we were just having some fun. This is the freaking beautiful beach.
Best day ever.
Best day ever.
Can I get a best day ever, ladies?
Best day ever.
Best day ever.
What's been really cool is from our meetup on whatever day that was in Portland, we've met a few van lifers and we've actually all kind of met up again. So you've since seen us hanging with Trent and Allie. We're now with Michelle and Andrew and one of Eamon's friends from childhood. So we've got like a little squad here.
Childhood homie.
Your childhood homie, baby.
Even though we hang out with vans that are much larger than us, both vans are like way larger, we always seem to end up hanging out in ours, so we're gonna put our bed away.
I think we had 8 people here for dinner last night. I imagine we'll have 8 again for dinner tonight.
Maybe even 12.
Maybe even more! The more the merrier! Hey. You saying good morning?
Good morning! What's up, homies? How was the slap? If you guys are wondering how our misophonia is going, this is the new industry standard. What?
What?
Good
morning. You got a riddle for me?
So you guys met Trent and Allie in the last Vidster. They're the mountain bike couple that invited us out. That's Trent. That's Allie.
Hello.
Their van is amazing, by the way. I gave you like a little tour then. But they're also well known for their ridiculous espresso machine that takes up half their counter. But we're not making espressos today, guys. You already knew that. We're making fresh chaiwala chai. So if you see him in your local parking lot, knock on his door. He's got full canister over there.
He's got a donated chai that he's gonna be making for everyone he meets.
And he's giving out samples.
Introduce Blair.
Oh, and this is my good homie, Blair Manila, from back in the day. He's single, he's looking for a girl.
How's it going?
Lives in the Portland area. He's got a sick 4x4. He's down to party. What's your Instagram? B-Man?
Eamon 710.
All right. We're matchmakers here on Eamon and Beck.
Everyone's trying to hook it up. It's nice. What's up?
710?
710, yeah.
Why did I think it was 170?
Instagram is the only one that's 710.
What does 710 mean?
I just switched it around. I couldn't get 170.
I don't know if you guys got a proper introduction. Andrew.
Oh, yeah.
Andrew, Michelle.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to do a quick 10-second tour?
Let's do it.
This is Ziggy. You forgot to introduce a family member.
Yeah.
Hi, Zig.
We bought it half custom made. Cabinets, kitchen is already in there, bed in there.
Yeah.
We got our pull-out table, which is our main feature for our eating, which is nice for us.
40-inch drawers, which his and her closet.
And the tent, had that made just so we can get the tent up there, have people come out and join us wherever we're at. Keep all of our toys up there, like our paddleboard, our kayaks.
So you can literally say to them, hey guys, you want to sleep upstairs?
Yeah. Got an upstairs.
That's amazing.
Bikes on drawers.
Oh, those are beauty.
Keeps it nice and simple.
Yeah.
Except for when stuff falls behind it.
How do you guys feel about driving down?
Do you want to try it?
I'm scared, but I'll do it.
I know you'll do it. 94% chance that we are 100% getting stuck.
And he says it with a smile. That's very concerning. Where's
lowered.
Blair?
I'll blame you if I get stuck. All right, do it.
I'm going.
Oh my gosh.
Why did you stop?
Don't sink it anymore. We gotta dig some of that out.
I got this. You just sit there and direct, Dave. Trent. Don't worry about us. Keep going.
We don't even need to winch the slack line. We'll just put them in reverse, tighten it up.
You don't have any high altitude insurance here. Step off.
Just set up that time lapse that you guys just saw, and the dude was like, "Oh, it's gonna be pretty funny to see you guys underwater in half an hour."
What a grump.
So I don't know if he's just scaring us or the tide is literally gonna take us out.
It might. It actually looks like you're fine.
But we're having an amazing.
That won't be funny, babe. We will have to move.
Yeah, no, I know. We're gonna have to move.
Okay.
I'm keeping an eye on it, real close eye.
Okay.
We just tore down the slack line. I'm not getting worried, but we're just starting to get aware that the tide has moved up quite a bit. Are you feeling good?
Yeah, I'm scared. I'm very scared.
You've been scared the whole time. All right, we're cruising. We're not stopping now. I gotta admit, I'm feeling nervous. The water is coming up. But then again, more people are coming on, so we're waiting our turn. Yeah, you'll see this sand is very, very chunky when you gotta floor it onto that platform. Was it worth it? One more thing. Trent is already stuck. He's way back there. He's got his front wheel drive.
Beauty, perfect.
Yeah, were you nervous?
A little bit.
Yeah, that was
Seen
awesome.
some of those other ones come out.
You. Alright. Let's hope he's not too stuck. Look at the stress on this guy's face, eh? Go, 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 go.
I'm going, but if he's not going, I'm
Are you going? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
stuck though.
Keep going. Yeah, baby. Woo!
Yeah, this strap, like,
Was it stretching?
it's supposed to stretch so that you don't like break it.
Oh, I gotta wipe your brow right now. Yeah!
What's up?
What's going on? Chickpea salad sandwich for 12?
You know it.
All about that.
Damn. Spread life. As usual, Trina's hosting.
Yeah, baby.
How was lunch, baby?
I think it was good. You have to
Yeah.
ask all the people I fed. I don't know.
Was that the first chickpea salad sandwich you ever had?
First one is quality.
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 B-Man.
First one as well.
Bomb.com?
Delicious. Yep. Beauty.
What's the plan now, dude?
Dunes? Is that what you're saying?
Doom.
Transition it, bro. Yell Dune and then like...
Dune.
That's epic, dude.
Oh yeah.
I was just saying that I never really understood the importance of a 4x4 or why anyone would ever want one until right now, because I want to go camp out there. So, should we do it?
Yeah. How much for a ride, brother? Woo! I got my brother with me. Oh, we'll ditch him.
For those of you who know me by now, you know that I like to just take a few minutes out of every day, especially when we're with a lot of people, to just kind of be by myself, and that's what I'm doing right now. I think people might take that as being rude, or I'm not sure, not wanting to socialize, but it's more just about resetting and having the energy to just continue on.
I'll leave you the keys. Hi, Zig. Buddy Zig's in here.
Zig's in here?
Yeah.
Hi, Zig! Hi, beautiful!
Zig, you can hang out, buddy.
There's no room there. He's like,
a dog back.
where did the hallway go? That's quite literally exactly what goes on when you're in a convoy of 5 vans. So as soon as you open the door, which is great, and I don't, like I said, I don't want people to think that I don't love hanging out with them. I just also need 5 minutes to myself. So without further ado, I'm gonna do that. Probably don't make any sense. But yeah. I hope you guys are having a good day. I'd love to know like what you guys got up to this weekend and you know, just how you regroup and reset. And we can share little tips and how to sneak away with the introverted ones in the group. Okay, talk soon. We were just all hanging out in the parking lot and decided that was pretty stupid. So we've come to the beach, having a few shandies, thanks to this man right here.
Checking out the blowhole action.
And we are blowhole action. I'm so stoked, you guys. When we were on Vancouver Island, you could pay hundreds of dollars to go whale watching. And we're just sitting on the beach, fully whale watching. I think there's one and a baby.
Yeah, mom and a calf.
Mom and a calf. Hi, friends! I'm so happy you made it!
How are you? Good. How are you? I'm glad you made it.
Hi. Happy to see you.
Good to see you.
My other boyfriend! How you doing? Do you see the whale?
Oh my god, you guys, there's a mom and a calf. And they're like right there. Oh, I see the
That's good, bro.
yeah. And they keep coming up tonight.
Oh, there's another!
Puppy fever alert coming up.
Well, no, he didn't really
Puppy fever. Frank just literally hopped up, snuggled in, and I'm just like,
Aubrey's freaking out.
The crew has decided to pull off from the beach and find somewhere quiet to park and hang out and have a few drinks and just have a really good time tonight. So
Frank, don't be farting.
we've commandeered a dog.
Frank, do not fart.
This is Frank. He's been farting the whole way here, but we still love him and it's making us really want a dog.
Fart it up, Frank.
No, do not fart it up,
Let it all out while you're in their van.
He let one rip real hard. Hi guys, that's our dog. You can't have him. We are going to sign off the vlog here. We really hope you enjoyed watching this fun day with new friends, old friends, new puppies, all that kind of good stuff. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And until next time, the lights are out, folks. We'll see you on Wednesday. Do you want to say bye?
Bye.